The Gould's petrel and its journey back from extinction. It is endemic to Cabbage Tree Island, but other colonies have now spread further afield. John Gould, an ornithologist, visited in 1840 to observe the Gould's petrel. They have desalination plants within their forehead, like most seabirds, which allows them to drink seawater and survive for long periods out at sea. Back in 1990, they were on the critical threatened list and close to extinction. They are birds which, after breeding, can fly for long distances, such as to Hawaii, and it only takes 4 days to travel that distance. They are found on Cabbage Tree Island and nearby Gould Island, and now Montagu Island as well. Cabbage Tree Island has breeding on the South Gully and North Gully, which they breed in rock crevices, nesting boxes, and under the cabbage tree foliage. Gould Island has mainly nesting boxes, and there's thriving community since the 2000s. Other unique species on the cabbage tree are the nudibranch, donut nudibranch, and also fairy penguins. Now, why did Gould petrels almost go extinct? There were three main reasons. One was predator birds, then also currawongs attacking the young, but the main reason was fruit from the bird lime tree. Now, with the introduction of rabbits to the island, this meant that undergrowth, which would capture the fruit from the bird lime trees, particularly at the time that young birds were ready to fly away, was not happening, and the fruit would fall onto the birds, and it would stick to their wings and make it impossible for them to fly, and unfortunately they would starve to death. So the mortality rate was very high, and that movement towards extinction. So getting rid of the rabbits and also currawongs in a conservation practice in the 1990s meant that the Gould's petrels went from 250 breeding pairs in the movement to extinction to over 1,000 breeding pairs. To follow on from this conservation management, a recovery program was developed and enacted at a political level to protect the future of Gould's petrels.